What's up, guys? So I've had some of you guys messaging me on Facebook or Instagram and kind of just asking me, what's going on. We haven't seen your face or any talking head videos for months. What's your plans for 2020? Why do you not have any videos in your new shop, in your new studio? And what is this new place that some of your videos show in the background? Guys, I'm completely sorry about that. This has been a very hectic fall and winter. I expected winter, especially January and February, to be a little slower. And Tri-State MX, which is a local promoter here, they kind of asked me to jump in and do some YouTube coverage on their Arena Cross series, and that was 3 rounds in January and 1 in February. And then 1 weekend between there, I had to work at the West Virginia International Auto Show all weekend. So I had like 2 Sundays off all of January. Series is over now. If you want to watch any of those races, it's over on the RTI Power Sports channel. Like every moto from the whole series is on there. And it was a 4-round series in Pikeville, Kentucky, Lexington, Kentucky, Huntington, West Virginia, and Salem, Virginia. So super cool East Coast Arena Cross series. Go check those out on the RTI Power Sports channel. I plan on doing some more, getting some more talking head videos out. I don't want to bore you guys with a 15 or 20 minute video of me talking, but I plan on putting some bits out over the next few days and weeks, just letting you guys know, because I know there are a few of you guys that are interested in what the heck's going on, and I want to keep those of you that are interested. And if you only like the riding videos or you only like the repair videos, that's cool. Go check those out. I appreciate that. Super. So I left the job I was at for 3 years back last summer, and I got a job with MTA Distributing, which is like, at the time they were distributing SHOT race gear, TCX boots, a bunch of cool brands. They've been around 31 years, and I just thought I'd always wanted to be a road rep at that time, and jumped on with them. Was super excited. They flew me to California, trained me. I got to do like 1 rotation of my area, which was West Virginia and Virginia, and they filed bankruptcy after being around 30 years or something. So that was kind of a bummer. So I kind of landed here at Appalachian Off-Road MC, and I kind of always been interested, always been friends with the shop, and bought a lot of parts here. And yeah, so I had been interested in the place and working here for years, but the timing never really quite worked out good. So this time it did, and I started out helping out over here 2-3 days a week. Quickly turned into 5 to 6 days a week, and it looks like I'm hopefully going to be here for a while. So I'm enjoying it. I'm working on obviously a lot of KTMs, but I'm hoping to expand the service department and parts department here beyond KTM and Husky. So yeah, we are a KTM, Husky, Beta, and Sherco full service dealership, and also all of our website activities come out of here as well. So if you're not familiar with our website, it's aomc.mx. Go there now right after this video and check it out. There's a lot of stuff on there. There's a lot of stuff we have on site ready to ship for KTM and Husky, and there's also a lot of Japanese stuff getting loaded up every day. So plans with the studio and the garage build at home, the workshop build. Whenever I built that, I thought I needed a home office for my last job, and that my studio was going to kind of double as that. And since I thought I'd be spending a lot more time at home, the workshop made sense. Since I came here, I haven't been out there but a handful of times. So, I have 3/4 of the flooring down in my workshop. I have a brand new desk, an unboxing table, good lighting. It's all sitting there, and I don't have any time to get out there to do anything with it. Hopefully that's going to change. Things are going to slow down a little bit in the next coming weeks and months. but who knows. And a lot of the moto work that I was knocking out there, you know, if I got one of my forks or something I need to do, I'll bring it here and knock it out in good lighting and climate control, you know. So a lot of my videos you'll be seeing probably from here instead of at home. That studio is still there. I plan on using it for a lot of stuff. I just don't know how fast I'm going to get into the groove and get everything finished now. So expect to see a lot of videos from here, which is better lighting and climate and everything anyway. So that's what I've got going on right now. Yeah, so this has been a heck of a lot for me to absorb, because I come from 15 or 20 years of pure motocross, no off-road. And I also come from you know, 99% Kawasaki, at least all Japanese. And now I'm thrown into this environment, which is 90% off-road and 95% European. So I'm learning a lot of stuff about the bikes, about the scene. It's just been a lot to absorb. So, but I'm enjoying it. I really am. So expect to see videos from here, still see some videos from home. The riding videos they will never stop. You'll see a lot more off-road, because that's kind of what I'm doing, but I'm still going to moto this year. So my next video will be more plans about riding this year and what's going on. So now that you guys know where I've been for the last 6 months and what's going on, I appreciate everybody that watches every one of those off-road videos, and some of you guys seem to comment on every video almost. It's super appreciated. That little bit of motivational comment you make on each video, you have no idea how far that goes. So thanks, and good to see you guys again, and I'll be around more talking head videos from here on out.